Hi everyone, welcome to Prep Keys. Today we're going to clear up a common confusion in English, the difference between homonyms and homophones. By the end of this video, you will never mix them up again. Let's start with homonyms. These are words that either sound same or are spelled the same, but they have different meanings. For example, bat. It can mean a flying mammoth or a piece of sports equipment that is used in baseball. Notice how the spelling stays the same, but the meaning changes. Homonyms can sometimes be tricky, but context helps us figuring them out. Let's discuss a few more examples. First, we have the word lie. It can mean to recline or rest, or it can mean a false statement, the opposite of truth. For example, I like to lie down after school. He told a lie about finishing his homework. Next, we have the word right. It can mean correct, or it can refer to a direction. For example, you got the answer right. Turn right at the next corner. Now, let's talk about homophones. These are words that sound exactly the same, but are spelled differently and mean different things. For example, see the large body of salt water, see to look at something with your eyes. Let's look at a few more examples. First, we have right with a R and right with W. Right means correct, and the second right means to put words on paper. For example, you got the answer right. Please write your name on the paper. Next, we have the words sun and sun with an O. Sun means the star that gives us light, and sun with an O means a male child. For example, the sun is shining today. Her son is very tall. To sum it up, homonyms are words with the same spelling or sound but different meanings. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. And finally, your reminder that you are a star.